Navigating the Microsoft 365 Admin Center can feel overwhelming, especially when you're tasked with monitoring your organization's teams and groups. But with clear steps, you can transform uncertainty into control and confidence. Start by logging into the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Here, the dashboard is your central hub, a place to oversee user activity and manage collaboration tools. Locate the left-hand navigation panel. Select Teams and Groups. This section brings together all your organizational collaboration spaces. Within Teams and Groups, you'll find a neatly organized list of all your teams and groups. Active entities are highlighted, indicating which ones are currently in use. To streamline your review, use the filtering options. You can sort by activity status, name, or creation date. This visibility lets you focus quickly on the groups that matter most. Selecting an individual team or group reveals key details: membership, recent activity, and settings. Here, you can directly manage access, assign or revoke owners, and configure privacy settings. If a team or group is inactive or no longer needed, you have the option to archive or delete it. These actions help maintain security and reduce clutter. Regular reviews of your teams and groups will support collaboration while keeping your environment organized. Take advantage of management tools, like bulk actions and activity reports, to stay ahead of changes and ensure compliance. With these steps, you're prepared to oversee every active team and group, restoring order and building a more secure, productive organization.